The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K is a groundbreaking flying action camera that delivers stunning 8,000 pixel video quality, making it perfect for both adventurers and content creators. Equipped with SmoothCapture 2.0 technology, this drone features a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization for steady, high-quality footage even during dynamic movements. The drone's fully automated flight modes and hands-free operation allow users to focus on their activities while the camera captures every exciting moment. With its OmniTerrain capability, the HOVERair X1 ProMax can handle various environments including snow and water, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. Designed for speed, this drone can follow at speeds of up to 42 kilometers per hour, ensuring that fast-paced activities like cycling and skiing are captured effortlessly. The foldable design and aerospace-grade materials ensure the drone is both portable and durable, providing users with a reliable device for capturing memories in any condition.